Newkirk Electric presents Spotter Training, Staying Accident-Free Every Day. A spotter is someone trained to look. Why do we need spotters? A spotter is necessary when the full view of the driver or operator does not have a full view of the working area and needs someone to direct him or her. Not only if there is the possibility of injuring someone, but of causing property damage. There is an important rule for drivers and operators. Don't back up or move heavy equipment unless you have a spotter directing your movement. A spotter must watch out for others as well as for himself, keeping enough distance in between spotter and equipment moving. It may appear an easy task, but there are a lot of dangers involved. Spotters and drivers or operators must work together. The operator will discuss the positioning, backing, movement, and plan with the spotter before proceeding. The operator shall stop the vehicle immediately prior to losing sight or losing sight of the spotter. In order to give you an unobstructed view of the entire movement, when directing the driver or operator, stand at the driver's side. It's important that the driver or operator understands your signals, so make sure to agree on signals to be used. Allow for sufficient stopping distance and clearance. Always make sure to use the same signals for the same moves. Avoid misunderstandings. Hand signals are much better than vocal signals. Because of noise, a shouted signal may not be heard. If the driver or operator is unclear at any point about the spotter's signals, the vehicle or equipment should be stopped immediately. Here are a few examples of some signals you could use when spotting. Straight backward or forward. To move a vehicle in a straight line, either forward or backward. Turn. To move the vehicle either to the right or to the left. Distance to stopping point. To provide the driver a visual reference for the distance to the stop point. Slow down. Show the operator to slow down to a safe speed. Stop. Stop all movement of the vehicle. Await further instructions. When spotting, concentrate on spotting, the task at hand. Maintain eye contact with the driver or operator, even if you have to change position frequently. If the spotter needs to stop spotting momentarily for any reason, first make sure that the driver or operator stops the vehicle or equipment. Be sure you're seen. If you or someone else has to pass behind a vehicle or equipment, stop the vehicle or equipment first, and when it is safe to move, walk as far behind the vehicle or equipment to ensure you don't get crushed if the vehicle inadvertently moves. Keep a safe distance. In addition to standing well to the driver's side of the vehicle or equipment, wear a fluorescent vest with reflective striping. In the dark, use a flashlight, but make sure not to point it into the mirrors, blinding the driver. When to use a spotter. Backing a vehicle or machinery. Entering or moving a vehicle or machinery in a congested area. Poor visibility. Close proximity. Pedestrians or coworkers or other contractors in the area. Lateral, overhead, or other obstructions. Vehicle or equipment danger zones. Blind spots. Rotating machinery. Swing radius. Travel path. Approaching the machinery before acknowledging the operator. Non-essential workers in the area. Struck by overhead loads falling. If you can touch the machinery, you are too close. Blind spots. These are some examples from the operator's cab and the limited sight distance. Learn the danger zone. The shaded area surrounding each vehicle represents the danger zone in which the vehicle's operator's view of pedestrian traffic is greatly reduced or obscured altogether. Man lift. Eye level 10 feet above ground level. Hydraulic crane. Eye level 7 feet above ground level. The area to the rear of the machine has a fully obstructed view. Backhoe. Eye level 7 feet above ground level. Bulldozer. Eye level 6 feet above ground level. Front end loader. Eye level 10 feet above ground level. Skid steer. Eye level 5 feet above ground level. All-terrain forklift. Eye level 7 feet above ground level. The area directly to the right of the cab has a totally obstructed view when in the carry position. Semi-truck and trailer. Eye level 8 feet above ground level. The area to the back of the trailer has a fully obstructed view. Vac truck. Eye level 8 feet above ground level. The area of fully obstructed view from the eductor hose is more than 100 feet. Area of fully obstructed view out the back of the truck is more than 300 feet. Summary. Be aware of your surroundings. Always use a spotter when backing up vehicles and heavy equipment. The use of spotters can save lives. Safeguard working area by establishing a safety perimeter. This concludes Newkirk Electric spotter training.